Hi. Uh, you may notice that this is not my boat. This is Dan's boat, which I've been staying on the last few days. Uh, Dan's boat is just to give you a quick thing, because I don't even know if he wants his boat on the interweb, but Dan's boat's a Scampi 30, which is a boat built to a racing spec type thing, to a class thing. I'm dead. Yeah, I'm not on my boat. It's too windy and stuff. Why do I quit? Well, I've quit my job, basically, because I can't do it. Well, I can do it, but it's like 15, 16-hour shifts on occasion, and I end up like this, and I can't see or think. Plus, like, I can't stand being. I used to love working behind a bar, right? Used to have a chat to everybody and have a right laugh and a good bit of banter and all the rest of it. None of that. I'm literally zero with that. It's like people are just five deep at the bar because we, like, in my opinion, don't have enough staff. Uh, People are like five deep at the bar, just like giving you the evils for ages, and it's stressing me out. I can't be doing with it. So I stopped that, and I'm looking for something else. Uh, Basically, because I've got nothing done on the boat, absolutely nothing. Because I've been that exhausted on my days off that I've just sat around, and then I've been sat in salt where I've been working. And then somebody will come in and get me a beer, and then you just end up having a few beers and not doing anything. And also the weather's been terrible. You can have a look at that because it's terrible now. It's basically howling, and that boat's Tika. Tika are some friends of mine who circumnavigated the UK for charity. Uh, and when they pulled into port, because the boat's called Tika, the skipper used to dress up as a chicken. Really great family, actually. Train of thought left the station. Yeah, the wind and weather's been absolutely howling. It's sort of sustained. I think it's forecast sustained high 20s, gusting low 40s. But because of the weird acceleration zones around it, you can probably add like 10% onto that. So it's quite blow it, and I'm not working underneath a boat in this, and it's been absolutely pouring down all the time. And the good days that we have had, I was at work, so I need to be more flexible. So I think I'm going to work in a petrol station instead. With Rich, off Joe and Rich. Richard the Lion Fart. Because there's no stress, is there really? You sat behind the thing and you're like, have you got fuel with that? So, no customers blasting you all the time, no customers whinging about waiting for the drinks, no. Not complaining about the food and stuff, which really gets to me. Because, there's only so much you can do. So yeah, it's driven me insane. And I don't want to look and feel like this in the morning. To be fair, I actually finished early last night. Because I exploded my foot, like this weird thing squidged, and now I've got like a big lump on the side of my foot, so that's exciting. So yeah. The video is a non-video. I don't know if I'm going to go back in today because I can't really walk. I was supposed to finish on Sunday. Today's Saturday morning. I'm just delirious. I can't. Yeah. So this is a very boring, very rubbish video about why I quit my job and why there's no video this week. I'm ill as well, so from a very poorly fat northerner on somebody else's boat.